here today at the launch event of the all-new Maruti Dzire. Behind me, we are gonna look at everything you need to know about it very soon. Performing right now in front of my eyes, which is a very good event. Here are people still sitting, enjoying their dinner and everything. So yeah, let's quickly start with a quick overview. So the first impressions, it gets an LED DRL setup. The indicator is not an LED though. This unit is an LED, which is a very good touch. It gets chrome inserts here, and yeah, that's nice. Talking about its side profile, this is how it looks like. It's a small sedan, but a spacious one that way. So yeah. Now talking about its tire size, it is an R15 alloy. Good. So the tires, they do seem small, but seeing the size of the car, ठीक ठाक लगता है यार, इतने छोटे भी नहीं है, but yeah, it's good. Now coming around, talking about its rear. So it gets these smoked BMW-ish tail lights. This is an LED unit as well. However, the indicator is an halogen, and so is the rear, the reverse light. You get the Dzire badging here on the left rear, and the Maruti Suzuki logo. This is finished in piano black with a chrome lining all around. Yeah. Now let's get into the inside of the car. All right. Now I am seated inside the new Dzire, and before I close the door, I just want to test its thud. Okay, so it does close with a loud thud. Okay, why did I do that? Because it does get a 5-star global NCAP rating, GNCAP, which is a very big thing for Maruti, because now not only their cars are very fuel economical and great value for money, but also they are safe. So that is a very big relief for everybody who's gonna buy it. So yeah, that's about it. Talking about the interiors, so starting off with the roof, the quality here is good. It's decent. It's fabric. Then I think these are halogens. Yeah, these are yellow halogen lights. Acha, and this is one of the segment first features. It does get a sunroof, which I'm not sure I'll be able to turn it on because battery abhi on nahi hai gaadi ki. But yeah, this is the sunroof. It is a very decent size. I won't say it's very small, but yeah, it's a decent simple moonroof wala thing. It's not a panoramic sunroof, of course. And talking about the interiors, this is how the dash looks like. It does look good, and you get textured plastics here, very similar to what you get in the Hyundai Aura. These are knurled textured plastics. Acha, and what about this? Oh, this does seem smooth, but then these are still scratchy hard plastics. Okay, these are some typical Maruti bits. But I mean, how much would you expect in a 6.79 lakh ka car yaar? It is very fair. उस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा दिया इन्होंने. I'll come to the pricing at the last. This is a wooden finish. It's actually plastic, but then it's finished in this wooden finish. अच्छा है. This is a glove box. It's decent sized. है, इसमें भी काफ़ी storage space है. But is it cold? No, it's not cold, of course. Then, okay, this is the manual one. I have also reviewed the automatic one, so I'll probably clip it here as well to just tell you how the dash looks like for the automatic one. About the manual one, oh, you get a wireless charger here, which is a very niche touch. Then you get a USB charger here. Good. I'll just zoom it in. Yeah, this is a USB charger. And then what is this? This is your cigarette lighter and that USB का आपको डालने के लिए. There is this port. Now coming to the air conditioning controls, one very good touch that they have done is that they have not integrated everything in the screen. They have provided you physical buttons for adjusting the speeds and for the temperatures as well, which is very good. You get automatic air conditioners. Good. Rear AC भी है. अच्छी बात है. ये सारी चीज़ें. And this is probably for the 360-degree parking. They've also given this here. This is the engine start stop button, which is finished in knurled, chrome knurled. Very good. ये है इसका center console for the steering wheel. The console for the steering wheel, it does look good. A few blank switches here and there, but I mean it's fine. It's really good. It's value for money either ways. And here are a few buttons for ejecting, accepting, and talking to the virtual assistant. Talking about the screen, finally, you get a 9-inch unit if I'm not wrong, and I'll not remove the plastics. It's obviously off. I don't think so I'll be able to turn this on. It says place key fob here. तो अभी तो ये ऑन नहीं है, बट इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर हमें कैसा मिलता है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर यहाँ पे दोनों एनालॉग हैं, बीच में एक छोटा सा डिजिटल MIAD स्क्रीन है, वेरी सिमिलर टू द वन विच वी गेट इन द स्विफ्ट. Is this auto dimming? No, it's not auto dimming, but yeah, you do get these two modes. This is very basic. You get a mirror here but no light, and you don't get a mirror here but you get a ticket holder here. Nice. Now okay, I'll also talk about these buttons. These are very Maruti like, ये तो last 5-6 साल से ऐसे ही हैं. These are the ORVM controls. These are the ORVM controls. This is the window locking switch. This is to lock and unlock the doors, central locking. This is an auto down window and not an auto up, if I'm not wrong. That's what I tested. Where these are the regular power window controls. Okay, okay. You also have a button to turn off traction control and to access your boot and fuel lid. I think anybody who owns a Maruti would be very familiar to all of this by now. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to see this. ये दो छोटे छोटे स्विचेस हैं यहाँ पे. अच्छा, इन्होंने फ्यूल लिड का पता नहीं कहाँ रख दिया, बट दिस इज द स्विच टू ओपन द बूट. ये रिलीज लीवर है, एंड सिंस दिस इज अ मैनुअल तो वी हैव 3 pedals. अच्छा, and these are not finished in chrome by the way, these are regular pedals. Yeah, I think that's it. This is to, okay, this is where you open the fuel lid from, and this is to open the आगे वाला hood. Now let's go back and check the rear. All right, now I'm seated in the rear, and here's a quick overview, very quick overview and first impressions. सबसे पहले we get a reading light. This is halogen, but a very good touch. We get the same plastics here as well, rear mein. Talking about rear space, so knee room is good. Okay, so knee room is good. The seat was probably pushed all the way back. And talking about under thigh support is decent. It's not the best, but I mean it's very good for over short distances. So ठीक है यार, अच्छा है. Now talking about headroom, it's decent. Anybody above 6 feet would probably brush their heads over this fabric, although they have tried to scoop this out as well, but I mean it's good. Acha, one more added touch here is that you get rear AC vents with blower controls. So this is a very good touch. You even get 2 power sockets. These are USB sockets, and this one probably is a USB-C socket. You also get a phone holder to charge your phone here. So this is a very intelligent touch. Nice innovation by Maruti. Good. Acha, and talking about the rear seats, the seats are very comfortable that way because these are soft seats supported by, I think, okay, this too is a medium hard fabric. This is very supportive. Then you get 3 headrests. Oh, you don't get 3 headrests. It's my bad. You get 2 headrests, and the center passenger apparently doesn't get a head. Sorry, Faisal Khan, but yeah. Now you also get 2 cup holders and a center armrest, and I think that's about it. That's about the rear. Now let's just talk about the boot space and the pricing. Talking about the boot space of this car, so it's a 372-liter big boot. You get a halogen lamp here. So surprisingly, this is 8 liters lesser than the last one. Last one was, I think, 380 liters, but it's decent. I think there would be a CNG cylinder placed somewhere here, so that'll take up the majority of the boot space. But otherwise, for a non-commercial use, it's a very decent sized boot, definitely. Yeah, I mean it's a small car, and 372 liters is pretty good. And yeah, last thing that was pending was the price point. I think it was visible there, but I'll just tell this to you any which ways. I'll just cut this here. Okay, it's visible now. So it starts from just 6.79 lakhs for the LXI variant, petrol of course. It's available in 2 variants, petrol and CNG. wherein you get these trim levels: LXI, VXI, ZXI, and ZXI Plus. And the range topping is about 10.5, I think, ex showroom, of course. So it'll set you off about 12.2 on road, maybe in Mumbai. But yeah, that was it. That was the car, pretty much. Whatever I could cover. It was a quick walk around video, kind of something different from what I usually do, but I love to cover cars like these. And yeah, if you like the video, please consider subscribing, sharing this with your family or anybody who's interested in buying a good second car which is not only affordable but also safe that way. But yeah, that was it. Now I'll enjoy the beautiful buffet.